Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by acting immediately. Sign into the account tied to the device and open the platform's Locate feature. Once signed in, the system queries the device for a last known GPS or network fix. This gives you a starting point on the map. Make sure location services and internet were enabled. If they were off, use the last seen time to narrow search areas. If prompted, play a sound to confirm proximity. This cuts search time when you're nearby. Once you have a pin, examine the accuracy circle and timestamp to understand how precise that fix is. If it's recent and tight, navigate to the spot and play sound from the device. This helps indoors or under cushions. If the pin is broad, look at recent Wi-Fi or cell tower hits to triangulate likely rooms or venues. Make sure to lock the device or show a recovery message with a contact number. This deters misuse while you approach. Finally, recover by approaching the refined location and calling the device or reading the lock screen message. If it's offline, immediately enable lost mode and track for status changes. This preserves battery and notifies you when it returns online. If you can't get a fix, refresh the map, confirm account permissions, and recheck recent sign-ins. These clues often reveal where it last connected. If all else fails, file a report with venue security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.